Hazrat Abu Musa Ashari radiyallahu anhu states that the opinions of the immigrants and the helpers divided on the issue whether bath becomes due or not without seminal emission. The helpers opined that only ejaculation necessitates bath, whereas the immigrants argued that only copulation necessitates bath. Hazrat Abu Musa radiyallahu anhu said, I satisfied you in this regard right now. I then got up and went to Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha and begged her permission to enter. She accorded the permission, so I submitted. O my and all Muslims' mother, I intend to ask you a question, but I feel shame. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha said, I am like your real mother, so do not feel shame in asking me any question. I thereupon submitted, what necessitates a bath? She radiyallahu anha said, you have asked it from the one who has its knowledge. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, when a man sits among the four branches and two private parts touch each other, the glans penetrates in the vagina. Bath becomes due, whether ejaculation occurs or not. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 783.